What is the orbiting functionality? What is it to orbit? That's right, make a circle. Multi-rotor drones do not need to orbit because they can just hover. But fixed-wing drones need the ability to orbit because they don't have that ability to hover. Okay, so if you say to a fixed-wing drone, go here and hover there, it's not going to hover, it's going to orbit. Okay, and then finally the return to home functionality is that idea. You press a button that says RTH and the drone stops what it's doing and it takes control of itself. It gains some height to avoid any obstacles and it comes back to where it took off and it lands itself where it took off. That is return to home. Okay, do we understand?
Yes.
Cool, guys. Do I have any questions? No? No questions? Cool. Okay.